Hi, I'm Pamela from Weight Loss Insta Journey in Instagram. I want to thank all my followers that keep up with me and support me. You guys are such a big help that you probably don't even know, but you guys keep me going. I usually stop and give up with my diets, but with the Instagram, I feel like it's more of a lifestyle change. And you guys help me to inspire me with your post of weight loss and the foods you put and everything. So I wanted you guys to see more of me and see me in a different view instead of just on pictures. I wanted you guys to get to know me and keep up with me with my progress. So about me, I'm a mother of 3 girls, 6, 4, and 2, and I'm a full-time student in Hudson Community College. I'm from Jersey. I just moved here about a year and a half ago, which is why I think I gained a lot of weight, because it was a stressful move and it wasn't in my plans. It was like a big surprise, and I gained about 50 pounds moving here in stress. Like from the few months before I knew we were moving here, and like from living here, it was hard, and I gained a lot of weight because I'm usually about 180 in balance, you know, since I was 16. A little chubby, but not bad. Like I always had like a nice body, but like in the thicker side. But now I just not happy with what I have. So that's the reason why I'm trying to lose weight, and also for health reasons, because I went yesterday to check on my blood pressure, and they said I was at risk of high blood pressure, and I have high triglycerides, all that stuff that shouldn't be high. So let me tell you a little about my weight. I'm right now 210. I started 230 when I was doing my weight loss. That was about 3 months ago. And I started my Instagram a month ago, and I just lost about 3 pounds since that month. But this November, I'm making a goal to lose at least 10 pounds this month. So I'll be trying a lot harder than I did this month. I want to show my body. Okay. So my body. See? I'm thick. Yeah. But I want to be healthy. I wear like a size 15 in pants, so I want that to go down so I have more choices in clothes. And again, I want to thank everybody for following me and supporting me, and I hope you keep up with my videos. I'm going to try and make one about once a week to see the progress. Thank you guys.